Does ChatGPT know this? Let's see how much this AI bot knows about Veed. Subtitles and captions are one of the biggest features on Veed, so I'm going to ask it about that. Okay, right off the bat, I can already see that some of these steps, like the wording is slightly off, but I'm gonna try and follow it and we'll see how we do. Select the video you want to add subtitles to from your dashboard. Okay, you have that option, or you can upload your own video. Click on the subtitles tab on the right side of the screen. It's actually on the left. Select automatic as the method of generating subtitles. That's correct. Choose the language of the audio in your video. Again, that is correct. Just select the language you are speaking. Click the generate subtitles button to start the process. Very similar, but it's actually called create subtitles. Once the subtitles have been generated, you can preview them by clicking on the play button. This is correct. If you click the play button in the timeline, you can watch through all the subtitles. If you are satisfied with the generated subtitles, click the save button to add them to your video. There is no save button. They automatically get added to your video. So it sort of knew how to add subtitles to a video on Veed, but also some of the wording was slightly off. Let me know what I should ask ChatGPT to do next.